In this video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how you can fix the error code 0x80070057 in your Windows 11. So let's get started. The first thing we can do is to go to the Windows search bar and type CMD. Then click on Run as Administrator in the right pane. Now simply type sfc space forward slash scan now, SFC space forward slash scan now and hit enter. The system scan will begin, so wait for the process to be 100% completed. And once that is 100% completed, then you just need to simply close the command prompt window, and then do not forget to restart. Right click at the start button, shut down or sign out, and restart your Windows. Next method is through the registry editor. Go to the Windows search bar, type regedit. Click on Registry Editor under the best match. Now click on HK Local Machine. Expand the list by clicking on the arrow. Then click on Software. Click on the arrow to expand the list. Scroll down and click on Policies. Click on the arrow to expand the list. Click on Microsoft. Click on the arrow to expand the list. Then you have to locate System. Now, if you can't find System from here, then we are going to create a new key. Right click, select New, select Key. Name this System. Okay? Now, once you have created this key, click on it. Then on the right pane, right click, select New, select the word 32-bit value. I'm going to paste the value name from here. This is copy file buffered synchronous IO. Capital letter C, capital letter F, capital letter B, capital letter S, capital letter I. No spaces in between. Copy file buffered synchronous IO. Double click and change the value data to 1 and click on OK. Close the registry editor, then right click at the start button, shut down or sign out, and restart. So do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel. Thank you for watching the video.